want to show you a quick and easy way to cover your cake board in fondant. Now, this is the board that I'm going to be covering. It's an 8-inch cake that is on a 12-inch board. So I'm rolling out my fondant big enough so a 12-inch cake pan can fit on top. So what I want to do is turn the pan upside down and press it down to make a mark. And then I have an 8-inch cake pan. I'm doing that one face up, and I'm taking a needle tool just to trace around it. I made sure that that was centered. I have a small cutting wheel. You can also use an X-Acto knife, and I am just cutting out this center circle, remove that, and then I'm going to cut out the larger circle as well. And then I'm getting my cake out of the refrigerator. I'm dipping a paintbrush in some piping gel, and I'm getting piping gel all along the cake drum. Then I dipped it in some water just to thin out the piping gel. I'm cutting that circle, and I'm starting in the very back, and I'm wrapping this around the drum, and I'm really pushing that fondant up against the cake. And then if there's any air bubbles, just lift it up and press it back down. And then where it overlaps, I'm just cutting through both pieces with my X-Acto knife and removing the piece underneath, and then you can press the seam together. Then I just want to smooth everything out with my fondant smoother, and I'm taking my X-Acto knife and carefully cutting away this fondant that's hanging over the edge. I want to take my finger and smooth that down, and then I'm taking some Crisco and filling in this gap here. You can also use fondant that's mixed with water that's the same color, but I find that Crisco does the job. And then I'm just wiping it with a dry paper towel. Let's wrap this with a ribbon, get some non-toxic glue around the cake drum and on the back of the ribbon, starting in the very back, and I'm going to wrap it around where it overlaps. Just get a little bit more glue down and press it down. I just want to run my finger over it one more time to adhere that to the cake drum, and here is your super easy fondant covered cake board.